In this video, we're going to show you how to create a logo field using your Sketchbook2 software on your Marking Box electric pin marker. As usual, we're going to start off by clicking and dragging out a field, and then select the logo button. This is going to bring up any available logos to mark. For this example, we're going to use our Marking Box logo. Once we have the logo pulled up, we can now go on to the properties list and change our settings. For our height, we want to change that to be 13 millimeters tall. The width we're going to leave at 100%, and spacing is not necessary for this example. Our force and speed, we're going to go to advanced settings and go for a lighter mark. So our force we're going to change to 18, and the speed we're going to change to a 20 to slow it down to get a tighter resolution. And for our location, we're going to move our X to 10 millimeters, and our Y we're going to change to 14. Just some minor adjustments just to even this off. Once we have everything finalized, we can now go on to the marking process. Thank you for watching, and contact us for your next part or tag marking application. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out more helpful training videos.